Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that every driver needs to know: 20 driving habits that could be silently ruining your engine. Whether you're a seasoned gearhead or just someone who wants their car to last, stick around because some of these habits might surprise you. Driving habits play a crucial role in the longevity and performance of your vehicle's engine. Many drivers are unaware that certain everyday behaviors can lead to significant engine damage over time. Here are 20 common driving habits that can ruin your engine, along with insights from recent literature. 1. Ignoring warning lights. First up, ignoring those pesky warning lights. You know the ones I'm talking about: check engine, oil pressure, battery alerts. These lights are your car's way of saying, hey, something's not right. One of the most detrimental habits is ignoring warning lights on your dashboard. These lights are designed to alert you to potential issues, such as low oil pressure, overheating, or engine malfunctions. Failing to address these warnings promptly can lead to severe engine damage. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, many drivers continue to operate their vehicles despite warning lights, which can result in costly repairs and safety hazards. These include leading to serious engine issues down the line. Don't be that driver. Address those warnings immediately. 2. Frequent short trips. Next, let's talk about frequent short trips. Did you know that taking your car on short errands can be harmful? Taking frequent short trips can be harmful to your engine. When you start your car, the engine requires time to reach its optimal operating temperature. Short trips prevent the engine from warming up fully, leading to incomplete combustion and the buildup of carbon deposits. A study published in the Journal of Automotive Engineering highlights that short trips can significantly increase engine wear and reduce fuel efficiency over time. 3. Aggressive driving. Now, let's get into aggressive driving. Aggressive driving behaviors, such as rapid acceleration and hard braking, can put excessive strain on your engine. This type of driving can lead to increased fuel consumption and engine wear. Research from the American Automobile Association indicates that aggressive driving can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 33% on the highway and 5% in the city. Additionally, the stress on engine components can lead to premature failure. So, take it easy on the gas pedal and brakes. 4. Neglecting regular maintenance. One of the most damaging habits is neglecting regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your engine in good condition. Skipping oil changes, ignoring air filter replacements, and neglecting coolant flushes can lead to engine problems. According to a report by the Car Care Council, nearly 80% of vehicles on the road have at least one maintenance issue that could lead to engine damage. Regular maintenance helps ensure that your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. Keep up with your maintenance schedule to avoid costly repairs. 5. Using low-quality fuel. Now, let's discuss fuel quality. Using low-quality or incorrect fuel can have detrimental effects on your engine. Fuel with a lower octane rating than recommended can cause knocking, which can damage engine components over time. A study by the Society of Automotive Engineers found that using high-quality fuel can improve engine performance and longevity. Always refer to your owner's manual for the recommended fuel type for your vehicle. 6. Overloading your vehicle. Another critical point is overloading your vehicle. Carrying excessive weight in your vehicle can strain the engine and other components. Overloading can lead to increased fuel consumption and overheating. The Environmental Protection Agency states that for every 100 pounds of extra weight, fuel efficiency can decrease by up to 2%. This added strain can also lead to premature wear on engine parts. So, pack wisely. 7. Neglecting cooling system maintenance. Let's not forget about the cooling system. The cooling system is vital for regulating engine temperature. Neglecting to check coolant levels or failing to flush the cooling system can lead to overheating, which can cause severe engine damage. A study published in the International Journal of Automotive Technology emphasizes the importance of regular cooling system maintenance to prevent engine failure. Don't skip this step. 8. Driving with a dirty air filter. Next, check your air filter. A dirty air filter can restrict airflow to the engine, leading to reduced performance and increased fuel consumption. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, replacing a clogged air filter can improve acceleration by up to 11%. Regularly checking and replacing your air filter is a simple yet effective way to maintain engine health. It's a simple fix that makes a big difference. 9. Ignoring engine noises. Have you ever heard strange noises coming from your engine? Ignoring those sounds is a huge mistake. Unusual noises from the engine, such as knocking or grinding, should never be ignored. These sounds can indicate serious issues that, if left unaddressed, can lead to catastrophic engine failure. A report from the Automotive Service Association suggests that many drivers overlook these warning signs, resulting in costly repairs. So, every time you hear an unusual sound, don't wait. Get it checked out. 10. Not allowing the engine to warm up. While modern engines are designed to operate efficiently without extensive warm-up times, allowing your engine to warm up for a minute or two can be beneficial, especially in cold weather. This practice helps ensure that oil circulates properly and that the engine reaches its optimal operating temperature. The American Petroleum Institute recommends allowing your engine to warm up briefly before driving, particularly in colder climates. Using the wrong type of oil can lead to engine damage. Each vehicle has specific oil requirements based on its design and operating conditions. A study by the American Society for Testing and Materials found that using the correct oil viscosity and type can significantly improve engine performance and longevity. Always refer to your owner's manual for the recommended oil specifications. 12. Skipping the break-in period. New vehicles come with a break-in period that is crucial for engine longevity. During this time, it's essential to avoid heavy acceleration and high speeds to allow the engine components to settle properly. A report from the Society of Automotive Engineers emphasizes the importance of following the manufacturer's break-in recommendations to prevent premature wear. 13. Driving with low oil levels. Operating your vehicle with low oil levels can lead to severe engine damage. Oil lubricates engine components and helps dissipate heat. A study published in the Journal of Mechanical Engineering found that running an engine with insufficient oil can lead to increased friction and overheating, resulting in catastrophic failure. 14. Ignoring tire pressure. Believe it or not, while it may seem unrelated, tire pressure can impact engine performance. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing the engine to work harder and consume more fuel. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration states that maintaining proper tire pressure can improve fuel efficiency by up to 3%. Regularly checking and maintaining tire pressure is a simple way to support engine performance. So, always keep those tires properly inflated. 15. Not using the parking brake. Failing to use the parking brake can lead to unnecessary strain on the transmission and engine. When parked on an incline, relying solely on the transmission to hold the vehicle can cause wear over time. The American Automobile Association recommends using the parking brake to reduce stress on the transmission and engine components. 16. Frequent idling. Idling for extended periods can waste fuel and lead to engine wear. A study by the U.S. Department of Energy found that idling for more than 10 seconds consumes more fuel than restarting the engine. Additionally, prolonged idling can lead to incomplete combustion, resulting in carbon buildup in the engine. Turning off the engine when parked or waiting can help mitigate these issues. 17. Neglecting transmission maintenance. The transmission is a critical component of your vehicle, and neglecting its maintenance can lead to engine problems. Regularly checking transmission fluid levels and changing the fluid as recommended can help prevent costly repairs. According to a report by the Automotive Research Association, maintaining proper transmission health is essential for overall engine performance. 18. Using accessories while idling. Using electrical accessories, such as air conditioning or heated seats, while idling can put additional strain on the engine. This practice can lead to increased fuel consumption and engine wear. The U.S. Department of Energy advises minimizing the use of electrical accessories while idling to reduce strain on the engine. 19. Not paying attention to fuel quality. Fuel quality matters. Fuel quality can significantly impact engine performance. Using low-quality fuel can lead to engine knocking and reduced efficiency. A study by the American Petroleum Institute found that high-quality fuel can improve engine performance and reduce emissions, Always choose reputable fuel sources to ensure optimal engine health. 20. Overlooking engine airflow. Finally, let's talk about airflow. Proper airflow is essential for engine performance. Blocked air intakes or exhaust systems can lead to reduced efficiency and increased engine wear. Regularly inspecting and cleaning air filters and exhaust systems can help maintain proper airflow and support engine health. The Society of Automotive Engineers emphasizes the importance of airflow in engine performance. In conclusion, being aware of these driving habits can help you protect your engine and extend the life of your vehicle. By adopting better practices and staying informed, you can avoid costly repairs and ensure that your engine runs smoothly for years to come. Regular maintenance, attention to warning signs, and mindful driving can make a significant difference in your vehicle's performance and longevity. Now that you know these habits, it's time to take action. By changing just a few of these driving behaviors, you can protect your engine and extend your vehicle's life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. What driving habits do you think you need to change? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and safe driving out there. We'll see you in the next video.